頂，頂，
top,
頂，頂的意思是頭或物體的最上部。
it refers to the top of a head or object.
他把一本書放在頭頂上來訓練儀態，糾正站姿和走姿。他把一本書放在頭頂上來訓練儀態，糾正站姿和走姿。他把一本書放在頭頂上來訓練儀態，糾正站姿和走姿。
She placed a book on her head to train her posture and correct her standing and walking habits.
屋頂上有一隻猴子。屋頂上有一隻猴子。屋頂上有一隻猴子。
There is a monkey on the roof.
頂相當於最，即
It is equivalent to most or extreme.
這家餐廳的羊肉湯頂好的。這家餐廳的羊肉湯頂好的。這家餐廳的羊肉湯頂好的。
The lamb soup at this restaurant is excellent.
他是科學技術領域的頂尖人才。他是科學技術領域的頂尖人才。他是科學技術領域的頂尖人才。
He is a top talent in the field of science and technology.
頂用於戴頂的東西，例如帽子、蚊帳。
It is used for things with a top, such as hats and mosquito nets.
他戴了一頂藍色帽子。他戴了一頂藍色帽子。他戴了一頂藍色帽子。
She was wearing a blue hat.
頂的意思是用頭部支撐或承受。
It means to support or bear with the head.
他頭上頂着一個裝滿棉花的粗麻布袋。他頭上頂着一個裝滿棉花的粗麻布袋。他頭上頂着一個裝滿棉花的粗麻布袋。
She held a burlap sack filled with cotton on her head.
頂的意思是用東西支撐或支持。
It means to support or prop up with something.
他用柱子頂住即將坍塌的屋頂。他用柱子頂住即將坍塌的屋頂。他用柱子頂住即將坍塌的屋頂。
He used pillars to prop up the roof that was about to collapse.
頂的意思是抵得上，相當。
It means to be equivalent to be comparable to.
他一個人可以頂10個。他一個人可以頂10個。他一個人可以頂10個。
He's worth 10 of them.
頂的意思是代替。
It means to replace.
這是假冒商品，頂不了正品。這是假冒商品，頂不了正品。這是假冒商品，頂不了正品。
This is a counterfeit product. It cannot compare to the genuine article.
頂的意思是用頭撞擊。
It means to hit with your head.
他一個跳躍，把球頂進了球門。他一個跳躍，把球頂進了球門。他一個跳躍，把球頂進了球門。
He jumped and headed the ball into the goal.
頂的意思是面對着，迎着。
It means facing, welcoming.
無論遇到什麼困難，我們都要頂住。無論遇到什麼困難，我們都要頂住。無論遇到什麼困難，我們都要頂住。
No matter what difficulties we encounter, we must persevere.
頂的意思是用言語頂撞。
It means to talk back to someone verbally.
你不應該頂撞你父親。你不應該頂撞你父親。你不應該頂撞你父親。
You shouldn't talk back to your father.
定
Stable. Fix. Calm. Book. Decide.
定的意思是安定平穩、平和安靜。
It means stable and peaceful, quiet and tranquil.
這個國家的政治局勢已定。這個國家的政治局勢已定。這個國家的政治局勢已定。
The political situation in this country is now settled.
定的意思是使固定、使镇靜。
It means to fix, to calm.
他選擇在中國定居。他選擇在中國定居。他選擇在中國定居。
He chose to settle in China.
他被一隻老鼠嚇壞了，好不容易才定了定神。他被一隻老鼠嚇壞了，好不容易才定了定神。他被一隻老鼠嚇壞了，好不容易才定了定神。
She was terrified by a mouse, and it took her a while to calm herself down.
定的意思是確定、決定。
It means to determine, to decide.
這件事還沒有定下來。這件事還沒有定下來。這件事還沒有定下來。
This matter has not been decided yet.
定的意思是提前確定。
It means to determine in advance.
我已經訂了2桌酒席。我已經訂了2桌酒席。我已經訂了2桌酒席。
I have already booked 2 tables for the banquet.
定的意思是明確而肯定不變的。
It means clear, certain, and unchanging.
這件事已經有了定論。這件事已經有了定論。這件事已經有了定論。
This matter has been settled.
定的意思是已經明確規定的。
It means that it has been clearly stipulated.
產品的價格已定，不能更改。產品的價格已定，不能更改。產品的價格已定，不能更改。
The product price has been set and cannot be changed.
定的意思是表示肯定或必然。
It means to express certainty or inevitability.
這次定能贏過他。這次定能贏過他。這次定能贏過他。
I'm sure I'll beat him this time.
冬季。冬季。
Winter.
冬季。冬季的近義詞是冬天。 冬天。冬季，指一年四季的最後一季，從立冬開始，到立春前結束。
It refers to the last season of the year, starting from Lidong, the beginning of winter, and ending before Lichun, the beginning of spring.
冬季是一年中氣候最寒冷的季節。冬季是一年中氣候最寒冷的季節。冬季是一年中氣候最寒冷的季節。
Winter is the coldest season of the year.
冬季平均氣溫低於10攝氏度。冬季平均氣溫低於10攝氏度。冬季平均氣溫低於10攝氏度。
The average winter temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius.
中國北方的冬季寒冷多雪。中國北方的冬季寒冷多雪。中國北方的冬季寒冷多雪。
Winters in northern China are cold and snowy.
動畫片。動畫片。
Cartoon. Animated film.
動畫片。動畫片是通過將人或物體的面部表情和動作的變化分割和處理成連續的圖像，可以在投影過程中產生動態圖像的藝術效果。
It is an artistic effect that produces dynamic images by segmenting and processing changes in facial expressions and movements of people or objects into continuous images during projection.
我喜歡看迪士尼動畫片。我喜歡看迪士尼動畫片。我喜歡看迪士尼動畫片。
I like watching Disney animated films.
這部動畫片故事感人，視覺效果出色。這部動畫片故事感人，視覺效果出色。這部動畫片故事感人，視覺效果出色。
This animated film has a touching story and excellent visual effects.
動畫片創造出超越現實的奇幻世界和角色。動畫片創造出超越現實的奇幻世界和角色。動畫片創造出超越現實的奇幻世界和角色。
Animated films create fantastical worlds and characters that transcend reality.
動搖。動搖。
Shake. Waver.
動搖。動搖的近義詞是搖擺。搖擺。動搖的近義詞是擺動。擺動。動搖的近義詞是搖晃。搖晃。動搖的反義詞是穩固。穩固。動搖的反義詞是堅定。堅定。動搖的反義詞是穩定。穩定。動搖的反義詞是牢固。牢固。動搖的意思是搖擺、擺動、搖晃。
It means to sway, to swing, to shake.
暴風雨中，船隻在海上動搖得很厲害。暴風雨中，船隻在海上動搖得很厲害。暴風雨中，船隻在海上動搖得很厲害。
During the storm, the ship rocked violently at sea.
動搖的意思是不堅定、 不穩定。
It means not firm, unstable.
他意志堅定，從未動搖過。他意志堅定，從未動搖過。他意志堅定，從未動搖過。
He was resolute and never wavered.
動搖的意思是使不穩定。
It means to make something unstable.
任何挫折都無法動搖他的信心。任何挫折都無法動搖他的信心。任何挫折都無法動搖他的信心。
No setback could shake his confidence.
豆腐，豆腐，
Tofu.
豆腐。豆腐是一種營養豐富的豆製品，常被稱為植物肉。
It is a nutritious soy product, often referred to as plant-based meat.
豆腐是一種高蛋白食物。豆腐是一種高蛋白食物。豆腐是一種高蛋白食物。
Tofu is a high-protein food.
豆腐是由黄豆制成，營養豐富。豆腐是由黃豆制成，營養豐富。豆腐是由黃豆制成，營養豐富。
Tofu is made from soybeans and is rich in nutrients.
豆腐是现代人健康飲食中不可或缺的食材。豆腐是现代人健康飲食中不可或缺的食材。豆腐是现代人健康飲食中不可或缺的食材。
Tofu is an indispensable ingredient in modern people's healthy diet.
謝謝觀看。